Hey folks, the HP Omen 16 Slim and the updated Omen Transcend 14 are the latest additions to HP's gaming laptop lineup, designed to cater to gamers and power users who demand high performance in portable form factors. Both laptops feature cutting-edge hardware, including NVIDIA's new RTX 50 series GPUs and Intel's latest Arrow Lake CPUs, making them formidable contenders in the gaming and productivity space. The Omen 16 Slim stands out with its sleek, slim design, which is 16% thinner than the standard Omen 16, offering enhanced portability without compromising on power. It can be configured with an Intel Core Ultra 9 285H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, ensuring top-tier performance for gaming and demanding workloads. The 16-inch IPS display is a highlight, offering resolutions up to 2560 by 1600, a blazing fast 240 Hz refresh rate, and a 3 millisecond response time, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming and smooth visuals. Memory options range from 16 to 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, paired with up to 1 terabyte of PCIe Gen4 SSD storage, providing ample space and speed for multitasking and large game libraries. Connectivity on Omen 16 Slim is robust, featuring 3 USB-A ports, HDMI 2.1, an Ethernet jack, a USB-C port with power delivery support, and 3.5mm audio combo jack. While it lacks Wi-Fi 7, it includes Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.4 for reliable wireless connectivity. HP's advanced cooling system, combined with Unleashed mode, allows the laptop to deliver up to 105-watt TPP while maintaining low noise levels of just 46 decibels, ensuring consistent performance during intense gaming sessions. On the other hand, the updated Omen Transcend 14 continues to impress with its compact design and powerful hardware. Weighing just 1.675 kilograms, it is remarkably portable for a gaming laptop. It is equipped with the same Intel Core Ultra 9 285H processor and GeForce RTX 5070 GPU with 8 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, ensuring excellent performance in a smaller package. The 14-inch 3K OLED display is a standout feature, offering a resolution of 2880 by 1800, a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a 0.2 milliseconds response time, making it perfect for both gaming and creative work. Storage options go up to 2 terabytes of PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD, and memory configurations can reach up to 64 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, providing exceptional speed and capacity for multitasking and storage-intensive applications. While HP has not yet announced pricing or availability for these models, they are expected to hit the market later this spring. These laptops represent HP's commitment to delivering high-performance gaming devices that balance power, portability, and cutting-edge technology. Overall, Omen 16 Slim and Transcend 14 are impressive offerings for gamers and creators alike, combining powerful hardware, stunning displays, innovative features, and sleek, portable designs. Whether you prioritize performance or portability, laptops are well-equipped to meet the demands of modern gaming and productivity. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day and God bless you.